Hello there and welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to get targeted traffic to your website on autopilot using the Udimi Solo Ads platform. If you're an affiliate marketer or a network marketer looking to get targeted traffic to your website, go ahead and click the link in the description to create your free account. You can literally sign up via Google, and once you sign up, you will have access to your back office like this. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to add text, and you can either set up just the link that you promote. Just go add new link and literally paste the link there, and you can name it just in case you have a few other links to add. And the next thing you want to do is you can add a new swipe, and that's optional, right? And I'll show you why you want to do that in a second. Now, the Udimi platform is a great platform because you have both buyers and sellers in the platform, and the platform does a great job of fishing out the sellers, so you're never going in there blind to make a purchase. So let's go into find sellers here, right? And what you can do is you can literally customize the search results for yourself. So you can pick how much you're willing to pay. If you're willing to pay, the minimum is 40 cents and the maximum is 95 cents. So you can pick whatever. And as you can see, that's going to fit in the search, right? So if we go 50 cents per click, that's what you're willing to pay. And then you can go ahead and choose any niche if you're broad. Ideally, what you want to do is you want to pick a niche: marketing, health, finance, mobile, social, crypto. I'll go for this one. And then you can actually choose the results to show you people who have over 100 plus ratings. That way you're getting the best. And then this one here is brilliant because you can choose people who sellers who have had more than 30% of the sales. So the way this is calculated is out of 100, right? So 30% means they literally got 30 out of 100 of their last sales. So you can say, right, I only want to show me people who 50%, right? 30%. So remember, the way the system works is after your order is complete, it actually sends you an email for you asking you if you made any sales. Now, most sales are not made in the first time somebody sees your offer. So this is just a guideline to help you. If somebody has got sales rating, then they're a good fit for you, right? So you can see over 40, there's nothing. So 30 is a max here in the crypto space. And then you can sort the results according to sales, according to price, according to ratings. So literally what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click the link in the description, create your free account, and literally do what I'm doing here. Add your text, your link there, your email, and your text link as well. Just add whatever you want in that slot. And then what you can do is you can literally shop around here. And what we're going to do is we'll go to this fella here. If you want to make a purchase, what's the next step? So you can see here that his page has all the information that you need. You can like that page, put it to your favorites, and you can see here there's all the recommendations. You can see where most of his traffic is coming from, and just to give you an idea of what he's all about, right? And what you can do is then, if you like what you see, you can slide this back and forth. He offers a minimum of 100 visitors and a max of 500 tomorrow. And then here, always pick this base filter here because it filters the bot clicks. And if you want only mobile, so you can see every time you mess around with this, that affects the total price here, right? If you want only tier 1, see, that's going to affect the price. And prime filter, you have to be further filtering to make sure you're getting the best of the best. So you can literally customize this to suit your needs. So if you have a link and you place your link here, then that's going to show up in this drop down menu. So if you want link only, just click that and it's going to show up in that drop down menu. And if you have an email swipe that you want to use, Now, bear in mind, you don't have to. This is what they do. They have their own emails that they can use. But if you want to use your own, then make sure that it's the best of the best, and make sure you have a link in your email for them as well. So it's very user-friendly. It's very intuitive, and what they do is every month they send you an email with a summary of the best people who got the best sales. You can see he's got over 600 thumbs up, and they send you an email with the top sales, top thumbs up, top whatever. So they actually help you make an informed decision. And yeah, I suppose what you need to do is just play around, just like what I'm doing here. Click the link in the description, access this page here, create your free account with Google, and then what you want to do is add your links. And if you have a brilliant email swipe, you can add it there. And then just go ahead and look for sellers, and you can like them, add them to favorites, and check out their reviews, see if how many sales they got, the percentage. And if you're ready to place an order, then you can go ahead and place one. I've been Angela, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you, and have a fantastic day.